Hello, I'm Susan, and today I want to introduce you to a completely new world of cleaning. What if you could use just one handle and attach it to your broom, mop, duster, and even your squeegee? Well, Sato has just the solution for you. With one single collapsible handle, you can swap out different Sato attachments to take on the task at hand. The best part? All of Sato's cleaning tools fit neatly inside of just one tidy bucket. Available individually or as a set, now you can have all of your cleaning tools packed and ready to go. Sato Set A. Everything you need, packed neatly inside of one bucket. Includes 10 different cleaning tool attachments and one pack of dry floor sheets. Set A includes Sato Bucket, Collapsible Handle, Floor Wiper, Surface Wiper, Short Broom, Brush, Squeegee Wiper, Tub Wiper, Bending Duster, Duster, Bath Sponge, Dustpan, and floor dry sheets. Sato Set B includes 5 different cleaning tool attachments and one pack of dry floor sheets. Sato Set B includes Sato Bucket, Collapsible Handle, Floor Wiper, Surface Wiper, Short Broom, Brush, Squeegee, and dry floor sheets. So collapse the handle, put it away, and enjoy the convenience of Sato.